the extent you understand well and good, I'm bringing a management concept because I see more parents here. Please understand, all right, KGB, if you look at technology, please see KGB had tremendous data. Isn't it? KGB of the Russian spy, they had tremendous data, but still they failed. Why? Because at that time, computing was not there. Now the way computing was not there. So right now, all of us, we have tremendous data. Right? I'm sure Gurukulam is teaching you very beautifully. There is Google, which will give you tremendous data. Our scriptures are there, tremendous data. Indian culture, be it right Shiva Sutra you do, or you read Hitopadesha, there is tremendous data. But if you do not know how to compute yourself, and how do you compute yourself? You know, the 21st century, the greatest asset is what? I think I have to stop. I'm talking too much. All right, 21st century, the greatest asset is what? Data. Please understand, the greatest, they're going to be, the currency is going to change. Recently, even Prime Minister Modi had spoken saying, India has tremendous data. Data is going to be powerful. And therefore, what is technology using right now? What are they using? Can I speak in Urdu? What is the technology is using now? Artificial intelligence. Alright, AI is being used. We have tremendous data. Google gives data, your family, Indian culture gives data. But like how Russians didn't have computing, now artificial intelligence has come, it will compute. But now the 21st century's greatest danger is going to be, greatest blessing and danger is going to be artificial intelligence. The blessing is going to be artificial intelligence. Along the line you will see in few years, right, there will be AI doctors, artificial intelligence doctors. Alright, the doctor there. So everything is artificial intelligence. Lot of people are going to become unemployed. So what is the surety you as parents are going to give the future? What is the surety? Education, no? The whole gamut of education is changed now. You have to go through education. You have to go. Now you see the way technology is going, every 5 years, every 7 years, your job is going to be, what you have studied is going to be practically useless. Because artificial intelligence is going to come. Right, every 5 years, 7 years is going. Ask the old doctors and ask the present surgeons right now. Now they are using so much of robot intelligence, alright, so much of technology. Before it was not there. Alright, I remember dental I was going, before without x-ray they were handling. Now without x-ray no dentist is going to touch. So whatever as parents understand, you educate your children, you're going to make your brain sharp. But whatever you have said, in 6 years, 7 years, whatever knowledge is going to be gone. Now this is the advent of artificial intelligence. It has blessing, it has danger. So therefore, I'll note the challenge, there is nothing guarantee in the future. Artificial intelligence is a solution, but not a guarantee. So what is the guarantee now? It is spiritual intelligence you have to bring. And the spiritual intelligence is, you should know how to be peaceful, you should know how to be loving, you should know how to be simple, you should know how to be at peace with conflict. I'll end up by saying, the old system of education is like an example, I will say an end. It is like this building. When I constructed this mandir here, I know how much feet we dug here. Alright, it is like education system is like the old system of building your house by bricks and stones. You build your house. Now present education system is not going to be like this. It should be, you should know how to live in a tent. Make a tent very beautiful, and when the whole guest hall changes, you know to pack your tent and go to another place and pitch your tent. So the whole gamut of education system is going to change. Technology is going to change there. Artificial intelligence will revolutionize. The only guarantee is if you can know to be simple, loving, peaceful, be flexible to whatever it is, and bring joy within yourself. Not joy in your job, not joy in your degrees. Learn to bring joy in yourself. Then you will find if parents can teach this, you have taught a great thing. I'll have to end up, since my mother tongue is Telugu, by a great, if you don't know Telugu also I'll tell the meaning, by a great poet, saint poet called Vemanna Reddy. He says, అనగననగ రాగము అతిశయిల్లుచుండు తినగ తినగ వేమ తీయనుండు సాధనమున పనలు సమకూర ధరలోన విశ్వదాభిరామ వినురవేమ. He writes a poem and says, listen, if you go on singing, your voice is going to become sweeter. If you go on eating neem, you will develop a flavor. So to whatever work you do out of joy and bhakti, you will discover joy within yourself. As parents, give education, but it's going to change tremendously. The real education is not AI, but it is SQ, spiritual intelligence. While you are giving this, tell people to be simple. जीना सरल है, मरना सरल है, शादी करना भी सरल है. तो मुश्किल क्या है? सरल होना ही बड़ा मुश्किल है. Right? To be simple is very difficult, and therefore get this. As parents, please understand, you have to have the fineness of refinement. Parent giving birth to children is very easy. Even cockroaches also do. But to refine them, as this Urdu poet says, हर पल में प्यार है, हर लम्बे में खुशी है, खो दो तो याद है, जी लो तो जिंदगी है. So you have to teach them how to live life with alacrity, with sagacity, with a great sense of acumen. I'm sure Gurukula is setting that space, but that is incomplete. Parents have to do that. Parents have to do its own part in education, because education is, the meaning of education is what? What is the etymological meaning of education? What is the etymological meaning of education? Education is to bring forth. Education is to bring forth. Most of education systems are dumping information. Google has enough information. Right? It's dumping information. You have to bring forth. Education is not what to think. Education is how to think. You have to teach them not what to think, but how to think, how to be flexible, how to bring alacrity in your life. I wish you all the best, and may God bless you all. So therefore, I still have to emphasize, parents think giving children to school is everything. No, you have to complete it. You have to complete it by your understanding, by your refinement, by your sagacity. I wish you all the best. Thank you very much.